Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see all the comments you have ever made on Facebook. So if you want to see any comments or all the comments you have ever made on Facebook, so how you can check that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on settings, and in settings you have to simply go to general. So in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here, and in App Store you have to simply search for the Facebook app. And if after searching for the Facebook app, you have to simply open the Facebook app, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app. And after updating the app, you have to simply open the Facebook app here. Now how you can get to the Facebook comments you ever made, so you have to simply click on profile, and here you have to simply click on settings. And in settings you have to look for the activity log. So here you will find it here. So in an activity log, you will find all the activity you have ever performed, like your Facebook activity. So you have to simply click on that arrow. In arrow, you will find many things like comments and reaction and posts. So if you want to check that, so you have simply click on that arrow, and you will find the option of comments, likes and reactions. So you have simply click on comments. So if you have made any comments, then all of the comments will be shown here. So in this way, you can simply check for the comments. Now if you want to see any thing like other like activities, you can also check for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.